How to block unknown calls on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to block unknown calls on iPhone. First of all, open the phone application on your iPhone. Now, this will show you your call history. Then, tap on the button that you want to block. After tapping on that, the number shows on your screen with multiple other options. At the end, you will see the block this caller option. So, tap on the option and then on the block contact option. So, through this process, you can block the number. This way, you can block whichever unwanted numbers you want. You can block as many numbers as you want by following this method. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.